At this point, I would like to move on to demonstration 1. First, I want to introduce network visualization functions using the GUI tool. Using network visualization functions, we can see the virtual network and the physical network topologies and call up the flow tables present in each network space. First, we generate two communications, ping and HTTP, from the client to the web server for VTN-A. Similarly, we generate two communications to the web server for VTN-B. In the case of VTN-B, we want to confirm that the traffic passes through the firewall and reaches the web server. Physically, VTN-A users can reach the web server directly, while access from VTN-B users pass through the firewall and then reach the intended server. Let me show a demonstration. These are the terminals for the clients. HTTP and ICMP traffic are generated from A. Similarly, two HTTP and ICMP traffic flows are generated from B. The display on the right is the GUI tool screen. You can see the topology of the logical network on the left and check the physical topology on the right. You can see routing information for each flow along the bottom. And by pressing the refresh button, the currently configured routing can be displayed in a list summary. Now, by selecting ICMP, you can see the flow path indicated by the blue arrows. This shows the logical network status, and you can call up the physical network from the logical network. You can call up and see that the flow travels physically through PFS1 and PFS2 and see that it reaches the server. This is the communication status for VTN-A. Next, I want to check the communication status for VTN-B using the same approach. We follow the ICMP traffic in the same way and see that the packets exit the PC and enter the firewall. Looking at the physical topology, we can see that the packets from PFS1 enter the firewall. Packets checked by the firewall find their way to the web server, and also in the physical topology, we can see the packets exit the firewall, pass through PFS1 and 2, and reach the server. Summarizing demonstration 1, in a traditional network, an operator with specialized knowledge must log in to each switch and check the logs to investigate the flow routing through the switches. Conversely, using programmable flow and a GUI tool such as this, we can determine the flow routing simply and in real time.